Recently, manufacturers and distributors globally have experienced the debilitating knock-on effects of supply chain disruptions. To mitigate this, many have committed to adopting emerging technologies. To understand which technologies and solutions businesses have invested in, we conducted a survey amongst industry professionals, which revealed significant findings, such as 70% of businesses have built a long-term digitalization strategy in response to the pandemic in order to keep business processes running efficiently. However, only 18% of those businesses invested in systems to improve collaboration with suppliers and customers. More concerning is the fact that 50% of businesses chose not to invest in any systems at all, relying on current systems to keep the lights on. The study also explored top technology investments. While 50% of businesses invested in the Internet of Things to capture data, only 20% invested in big data and analytics tools to understand real-time changes across the supply chain. Ultimately, half of these businesses have experienced cost efficiencies in the short term, but only 26% of those businesses achieved improved customer satisfaction, and only 22% achieved revenue growth. The question is, can manufacturers and distributors overcome supply chain disruptions without real-time insights, improved ecosystem collaboration, and without placing their customers at the center of their business? The answer is Syspro ERP. Syspro is a fully integrated ERP solution that enables businesses to tackle the immense supply chain challenges they face by improving processes, meeting and satisfying customer demands, and increasing factory output. To address the issue of real-time collaboration, Syspro offers a supply chain portal for buyers and suppliers to connect, communicate, and exchange information with each other. Syspro also assists in automating the process of balancing material supply, product, and demand. Because Syspro ERP is built on an open architecture, it gives customers unlimited flexibility to pull data into the solution and use it strategically. This way, decisions can be made in real time. The result? Improved profitability and cash flow, critical to any business. The survey shows that for manufacturing and distribution organizations to thrive, they need to embrace digitalization so they can create a real-world impact and take their business to the next level. Isn't it time you said yes to next?